Hi, so I want to welcome you to week 4 and just go through a really quick synopsis of the things that you'll be doing this week, and then offer just a quick reminder as we approach the final stages of securing your capstone placement. Most of you are likely viewing that as an internship for the last 10 weeks of this course. So, with that, let's go ahead and take a quick look at what's out there for week 4. Week 4, you're going to be focusing on writing your cover letter. So last week you spent some time perfecting your resume. I really hope that you took the time to completely redo your resume based on the information that was out there in week 3. Rather than just uploading whatever version you have right now. Because there are a lot of trends that are changing with resume writing. And so I hope that you took the time to review what those trends are and then tailored a resume that really matched kind of where those trends are going. For a good resume. So the other aspect of applying for a job is to write a cover letter. And I always tell people that this is the step that for whatever reason, people don't take seriously. A lot of people, when I review job applications, because we do quite a bit of hiring at the institution. Currently, we're hiring for a full-time chemistry faculty person, and we're also hiring for a full-time horticulture person. And more often than not, people do not submit cover letters. And that really is your opportunity to tell your story, to talk about why you're enthusiastic to apply for the job, to highlight some of your relevant work experience outside of what's just listed on your resume. So it really gives you an opportunity to take that information, truncate it, and then tell a story. Tell a story about why you're really interested in that position. So as you're writing this cover letter, I would encourage you to think about that dream job that you want to have. And I would certainly highlight that in the first paragraph. So in that first paragraph, certainly say, I'm excited to apply for this emergency vet position at your vet clinic. And then go into the relevant experience and the things that you have that would make you the best candidate for that position. So really think through that. Again, write a cover letter that's very tailored to the dream job that you would like to land. So don't dig through your archives and just find a cover letter that you've already written, and navigate through the materials here. So there's, again, some more information embedded in the week 4 learning module that talks about cover letters that people actually want to read, and some examples of some cover letters for you to review. So I would encourage you to look through that because I do think it's really helpful to, again, understand what those trends are. These are the only things that potential employers will look at, your resume, your cover letter, to determine whether or not they're going to afford you the opportunity for an interview. So you really want them to be strong. You want them to tell the story that you want them to know about. And I would just say, really take the time to make sure that they're solid. Otherwise, it's something that a potential employer would look at and just be like, yeah, I'm going to move on to the next applicant because this person didn't take the time to actually apply for this specific job. They're not telling the story that really resonates with me, that is applicable to the job that I'm posting. So take some time to review the materials, write a really solid cover letter. And then the other thing that I would encourage you to do is, like I said, we're getting close to the end here. So I really want you to come out and take a look at your discussion board. I have a meeting today with another industry partner to see if we can get a student placed with them. So stay in contact with me. Keep telling me what your interests are. We'll continue to communicate through this. We have about 2 weeks left. So I'd really like to really within this week say that is the exact internship that I want, so that next week we can schedule some site meetings and get you connected with that industry partner so that you're ready to rock and roll for those last 10 weeks. Because the last 10 weeks is really time spent with your industry partner learning more about the ag industry and the specific specialty area that you've selected. So we'll work through developing some goals and some outcomes for you within that specific internship. So with that, that's week 4. You're going to upload a cover letter, but I really want you to get serious about finding that internship and where we're going to place you for those last 10 weeks of the semester. So with that, email me, call me, stop by my office if you have any questions, concerns, need help with anything. Otherwise, let's finalize those plans for your capstone placement and then upload your final cover letter for week 4. I hope you have a fantastic week. As always, let me know if you have any questions, concerns, or comments.